Hello, Jackie here to help share and show you how to update your Google Chrome. You may not know all those glitches that are happening in the classroom or on the websites or in your drive. Might be because you're not updated. So let's go see how to do that really quick. Here we go. All right, well, you open up your Google Chrome browser and you go to the three dots in the upper right-hand side. Click on them, go down to Help, and go to About Google Chrome. As soon as you do, boom, it will open up a tab and it will quickly check for updates. Nearly up to date. It's going to finish updating, I'm not sure, whatever it says right there, okay? Now let's go look at another one real quick. I have another browser. Actually, I just recently updated that one, so I wanted to show you another one. Here we go. So there's another one. I don't think it's been a while since I've updated this one. If you're confused, what you may not know is every time you have a Google account, you can have a new browser as the main one. So let's check this one out. New tab got opened. It's checking for updates, and again, nearly up to date. So go check it out. Go update your Google Chrome. You may be having issues, especially many of us whose children are in the Google Classroom for class, or maybe you're using the Drive now more for work and things like that. So go update, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.